Hello everybody, thank you for tuning in, and what we're going to look at today is a few photographs I've taken of the International Space Station. And it's amazing what you can do with just a camera, no telescope needed, and a sturdy tripod and long exposure and a little bit of patience through trial and error with focus and exposure. Yes, you can take some astonishing photographs of the space station in close-up with the right equipment. I personally haven't, but you do see some incredible shots. But just using a camera on a sturdy tripod, maybe 30 seconds exposure, experiment with different ISO settings. I normally use 3200 up to 6400, but experiment, and you can get some fantastic shots, and not just of the International Space Station, but I have one here of the Dragon X, and also, just by pure chance, I was photographing, I believe it was just with a standard camera lens, the Andromeda Galaxy, or that area, and then, as you can see, a satellite went across the field of view. And often you'll be looking through the eyepiece, and you'll suddenly see this flash of light go across, and you'll think, what was that? And the chances are it is a satellite going by, whether it's manned or unmanned. But I would say for best results, like I've done with a number of these photographs, wait till it's partially cloudy. You can get some amazing effects of the clouds, giving that sense of movement, and also play around with the colour temperature to change the colour of the background of the sky, as I've done with a few here. Some you'll see with a false blue background, but it gives a nice effect. It's not true, but it gives a nice effect. And also plan your nights where you know that the ISS, the International Space Station, is going to be going through one of your favourite constellations or near a star cluster. You can get some amazing results. I know there are lots of online resources where you can track the International Space Station and work out where it's going to be on any particular night. And normally you'll see it twice in one night. That is how fast it is orbiting around the Earth. But not just the International Space Station. And as you can see here, I also captured a plane going past in the same field of view for added effect. So there you are, that's something for you to try on a nice clear night. You don't need a telescope, just a standard camera, sturdy tripod, long exposure, a little bit of patience until you get the focus and exposure right. So go out there and give it a go yourself. So thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you next time.